I'm fixing my phone tonight. This black screen's messed up. I picked up this cover off of Amazon for like $44. I recommend them. It's the first cover that gives you this screen repair, and it gives you even a screen protector with it. Press up and down the volume, and screws in the bottom, take out, put the suction down. After that, pull it up. Usually try to get your toothpick under to pull the cover off. Unscrew the 4 or 5 screws. They're pretty tiny, don't be intimidating. Simply take your thing afterwards. Just have to do it with one hand. You just scrape them off and you get the case off. So you do also have to move this piece from this camera. This is your speaker piece, I'm assuming. And just move it right on top. Everything's hooked up back up to the new screen. Get your tabs back in. So we just push on it. On the outsides, get them firm in there. And they're pretty good.